Hello, I'm Sachin from OAG India, Pune. Uh, we are using this Markolaser machines from last approximate 15 years for our products, cutting tools, drill and mills, reamer, shank marking of our identification and cutting diameter, etc. And this machine is very good. Also last year we purchased one another machine, and now this year also we are ordering one another machine. Their service is very good, and our production never held up due to any other reasons like breakdown, because we are getting their support immediately, and machine is very good and better service. So you can also, I recommend this machine strongly for laser marking. Thank you.